Hey, what's going on YouTube? I got the newest update for you, Jailbreak the Firestick, fully loaded. Install the best apps, movies, TV shows, pay-per-view, whatever you want on your Firestick, third-party apps. I got my Firestick booted up here. I'm logged into my Amazon account. You can make an account with any email. You can log into your account. You got to log in. You got to connect to the Wi-Fi. A screen will show up like that, and then I'm going to fully load it with the best update, with the best store, with the best apps, okay? So here I am, and you'll see here that screen comes up like this. So what do you got to do first? We got to enable developer options. And how do you do that? This is the first thing we got to do off the bat. So what I want you to do is go to the settings button, and once you're there, go to My Fire TV. Click on My Fire TV. You'll be presented with a screen like this, okay? Now you see I have developer options. You may not have developer options if it's a new Fire Stick. So two things you got to do. If there's any updates here, if you click on About Fire Stick, so click on About in the Fire TV or My Device section, okay? And it'll show you a thing. It'll show you information about your Fire Stick, and then it'll show you the name of the device. Here it says Fire TV Stick 4K. It can say Max, it can say Lite, depending which device you're using. It works on all devices, okay? Make sure you check for updates, get all the updates, and once you're done that, click on this about 6 to 8 times. That's going to make sure it enables developer options. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See how it says no need, you're already developer? Because I already have developer options. And this is how you turn on the developer options, okay? So let's click back. Once you're done, that developer option is turned on, and then it should show up under your device or My Fire TV. Developer options should show up there, okay? Once you do that, I want you to press the home button, and now we're going to start installing the third-party applications. Go to the search or find button, click below. Here you can use the Alexa remote, the blue button, or if you don't have the Alexa remote, you can just type it in. So go into the search button, and in this search, type in downloader or use the Alexa remote to find downloader. Downloader. When you do that, it's going to search for downloader. Orange icon is going to look like this. Click on the downloader application. What it's going to do, it's going to bring you to this screen. We can press the download button. It's going to queue, and it's going to start downloading the downloader application, okay? So once it's finished, let's press the done button. Let's not open it up yet. We have to do a couple things to get things going for our Unlinked application. Okay, so there you are. It's going to tell me to open. It's going to pop this up, but let's not open it yet. Press the home button. We've installed downloader, okay? Once you're in the home section, go to find again, go to search, but this time we'll type it in. Click into the search, just like downloader, and we're going to type in IP Vanish, just like that. Let's type it in. IP Vanish, okay? Just like that. Type in IP Vanish and hit the search, the middle of the D-pad to search for IP Vanish. A couple applications are going to come up. You want to click on the IP Vanish logo right there. Click on that. Click on the download button. That's going to download the IP Vanish VPN, okay? It's going to download it, and it's going to install it for us, okay? So once you install IP Vanish, you're going to log in with your own username and password to be able to connect to the Unlinked store. Internet service providers are blocking access to the Unlinked store. Therefore, you need a VPN to get into the store and get all the updates for the movies, TV shows, and get more links and content and stay fully anonymous. To get your access, you can pause the video here right now, and you can set up the VPN just like I'm doing here now, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. You can scan this barcode with your iPhone or your Android phone or any other phone, or you can go to this bit.ly link, which is located here and also in the pinned comment and description. Once you're at that link, you're going to sign up for a package, and you're going to log in with your own username and password. So I'm going to open up IP Vanish once you finish it downloading, and you'll see it will bring you to a login and password that you get from here. So you can use this in the browser or scan the barcode or go in the pinned comment or description link, and you're going to be at a landing page. It's a few dollars. It's a cup of coffee a month, and you can use it on unlimited devices, and you can only get that discount through my channel since I partner with IP Vanish to bring you this discount anytime from 60 to 70% off for an account, which is going to cover unlimited devices in your household, okay? So Once you sign up on their page with your email, they're going to send you an email confirmation. Make sure you confirm that email in your inbox and then log in. If you need some time to get set up with IPVanish, the information is here and below in the pinned comment description, and also a link here. Get set up and pause the video and then later continue setting Unlinked up. Unlinked is not going to work properly without a VPN. So make sure you have your VPN or IPVanish on, okay? So let me log in here and then I'll show you how to set up the VPN. Once you log into your account, the process is exactly the same. Once you log into your account, the screen will look like this. First thing you want to do is go to the gear icon with your D-pad. Say Connect Android Startup. Flick it on. Click one back. Click on the location here right there. Click on that. And go to Countries and scroll all the way to United States. That's what you want to do. United States. Once you're there, click on it. Say Favorite United States. Put a star on it. Click on it again and say Connect to United States. You should get a pop-up. Click OK on this pop-up. And a screen will flicker and it should connect us to the United States. You'll see the IP will change and we're successfully connected to the United States. This will allow us to get our Unlinked now. So to get your account set up, as I was saying, here's the information and also in the pinned comment and description, or going to this link or scanning the barcode. Okay, let's press the home button. So we've installed Downloader and we've installed IPVanish and we connected to the US server. Go to My Apps and Games. Now we're going to get the Unlinked application. It's going to come up with this site. We're going to open up Downloader. When Downloader opens up, what we're going to do is press the OK button. I'm going to click one up into here and click into this yellow field here and put in the following URL. So we're going to put in unlinked.link. Just like that, unlinked.link. Once we do that, we're going to press the go button, okay? What's going to happen now, it's going to go to a website, and you can see I can browse with my D-pad up and down, left to right, and the Unlinked website will load and it looks something like this. You want to scroll down with your D-pad to this Android button right here, and you want to click on that, and that's going to download the Android APK, okay? 3.9 megabytes, very small. And then it's going to try to install it, but it can't install it. We have to click Settings, and it's going to throw us into Developer Options. Once there, install unknown apps and make sure you turn the downloader on. Okay, once you do that, hit one arrow back and one arrow back, and it's going to throw us back into the home screen. Okay, go back to Downloader. And as you can see, the file should be located now under Files. So if you go here under Files, you'll be able to click on this now and install it. If you don't see that for some reason, no problem. Go to Home and go back in here and do the same thing again. But this time I'll show you when the developer options are turned on, Unlinked will install. So I'll show you here. We're doing the same thing I just did in a step 20 seconds literally ago. Okay. Unlinked.link, press the go button. It's going to take you to the website again, just like we did, and you can re-download it if it's not showing up in your files section. So here we go. Before it wouldn't install because we had developer options off. They have to be on. So the same process is going to download it, but this time if you watch closely, I have the install button and it will install the Unlinked application when the developer options are on. Now, don't hit open yet, just press done because we don't want to do this twice in Unlinked as well. Press done, press the delete button to make safe space to delete the installation file. Press the home button on your remote and do this again. Go into this My Settings here, Settings, okay? Go to My Fire TV, and as you remember, we turned on developer options. So developer options, install unknown apps, and you'll see that the Unlinked is off. So it won't let us install any applications unless we turn that on, okay? Like Downloader. When you're done that, press one back and press one back and press one back 3 times, and it will throw us back to the Fire Stick menu. Press the home button to return to home. Go to My Apps and Games, followed by going to the Unlinked application. So what do we have so far? Recap, we have Downloader installed. We've used Downloader to get Unlinked application. We also have IPVanish installed, and we're connected to a US server. And we're fully connected and protected, okay? Let's open up the Unlinked application. I'm going to give you a code for my subscribers and my viewers only. Press New Library. Click into this blinking cursor and put in all lowercase Firestick. That's all we want to put in. Lowercase Firestick, okay? Here we are. Let's do this. Firestick, lowercase. Once you're done that, press the next button once you put in Firestick, lowercase. Now, don't press the enter button here. Take your phone, if you're doing this on a Fire Stick, take a picture of this. This will tell you which applications are the best and which applications I'm using. This is very useful because it tells you which ones to install, as I have over 50 applications in the store. Okay? So take a picture, note it down, and this is the apps you should be using for movies, TV shows, live TV, pay-per-view. It lists them all here. Okay? Press the enter button once you take a picture of this or read this, or write it down, whatever is best for you. Press the enter button to enter my store. Once you're in my store, you can scroll up and down, left to right to get all the other applications. This is for presentation purposes only. I'm showing you how to install Taskkill Firestick, but you do this essentially every single application. They're available by scrolling up and down, left to right to get those other applications, okay? So, for example, if you wanted to install a movie app or something like that, you would find it just like I found Taskkill Switch by navigating to it. Clicking on it, it will present you with a screen like this. You press the download button. What will happen is this little hourglass and this bar would show you that it's downloading. Once it finishes downloading, you will press the install app. And as you notice, you can now press the install button and press the done button. And that finishes installing it. You can go up and down, left to right. You get a notification and you will be installed. Okay, so hit the home button and you can come back here, My Apps and Games, I'll show you, at any time into Unlinked to get more applications. Now I installed Taskkill Switch, but some applications might not show up here in the menu of applications. So if that's the case, if you install movie apps, TV show apps, and some of them does not show up here, I'll show you how to launch them. Okay, if that's the case, not all, but some may happen to some. Okay, so if that's the case, you would hit home, you would go to the settings, and then you would go to applications, and from here you say manage install applications, and then you could launch them directly from here. Like I just installed Taskkill Switch, and I would click on it, and I could launch them directly from here by launch application. So I've installed Taskkill Switch, and I can install many more applications. Just go back to the Unlinked store and you can install them at any time. Movies, TV shows, I have over 50 applications. Okay, just to show you, IPVanish was running and it was connected throughout the whole time, just for your safety, security, and making sure that you get all the updates and all the things in the Unlinked store. If you haven't got taken advantage of my discount, the barcode is here and the bit.ly link is here. Pinned comment description. It's a cup of coffee a month. Keeps you protected, keeps you with all the updates in the Unlinked, and make sure you have all the updated applications. So make sure you take advantage of the VPN. Okay? So VPN is on. So let's recap everything we've done. Okay? We've got IPVanish, we connected to a server, we got Downloader, we ended up getting Unlinked, and inside of Unlinked we have more than 50 applications. We installed Taskkill Switch for presentation purposes only. You can install from my store with the code Firestick, lowercase, all the other applications you wish. You can go in at any time back and you can do that, okay? So that was pretty much our fully loading jailbreaking Firestick. I'm not going to sit here and install every single application and show you. That would be time excessive. They're pretty straightforward to use and they work pretty well. Comment below if you had any issues with any applications. If something's not working, drop a comment below. I'll get around and I'll fix that application. I'll update it and I'll fix those things. For those of you that have been watching me for a while, I might pin lock my store since a lot of people have been taking my content, ripping off my store and taking all my stuff. Therefore, I might add a pin lock on my store. I haven't done that yet, but comment below what town, city you're from, you know, just anything. What's your favorite food? Just drop a comment below. What do you like to do? What's your favorite, you know, team? Just drop any comment. Therefore, I know who you are, and I'll be replying to that code with the pin if I do decide to pin lock my store. Therefore, I'll be replying to the comments under my videos. Very important that you guys comment. I don't ask for money. I don't ask for you to donate to me. You know, I'm just asking you to drop a comment in my video. That's all I'm asking you, okay? Even just the city and town you represent. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being here. Appreciate all the love. Make sure you hit that like button and drop that comment like I've asked you for. Therefore, it's going to keep you updated. I'm gonna reply to comments in the updates. I'm probably not gonna post a new video with a new pin. I'm just gonna reply to some people's comments, okay? Because you guys deserve the access, nobody else, all right? So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching me, and I'll see you, ladies and gents, in the next video. And this is a new fresh store update, and I'll do these videos every month or two just to give you guys the store updates in the welcome message and all the updates that are happening. Thank you for watching. If you're already fully loaded your Fire Stick, you just update the apps. If it's your first time on my channel, follow me along, subscribe, hit like, drop a comment. I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.